Now you have to learn third basic practice of crop production, that is adding manure and fertilizers. So that is nothing but the substance which are added to the soil in the form of nutrients for the healthy growth of plants are called the soil manure and fertilizers. Means that is nothing but this substance will add nutrient to the soil and growth makes healthy growth of the plant. This substances can be manure or fertilizers. We will discuss the difference between manure and fertilizers. So this manure and fertilizers supplies mineral nutrients to the crop. These nutrients are essential for the growth of the plants. Continuous growing of crops makes the soil poorer in the certain nutrients. Adding manure and fertilizers. Therefore, farmers have to add manure to the field to replenish the soil with nutrients. Manure is actually good. This process is called manuring, right? So manure is nothing but that is obtained from organic waste, cow dung cake, right? When that is decomposed or dumped in soil, slowly and gradually converted into manure. Okay. Improper or insufficient manuring results in weak plants. I will discuss the importance of manure later on. We'll discuss first what are fertilizers. Fertilizers are nothing but are chemical substances which are rich in particular nutrients. Okay, so manure we discussed, and manure is what we can say that have nutrients, but near about nutrients are same, right, in all content, but in fertilizers specific nutrient, what we can say that rich, right, in any nutrient. One of the nutrient is what we can say that more compared to other nutrients. So fertilizers are that way very good. Fertilizers are produced in factories, okay, and manures are what we can say that through natural process that are prepared. And fertilizers, where they are produced in factories. They use fertilizers. The use of fertilizers has helped farmers to get better yield of crops such as wheat, paddy and maize. Okay, so this is like our body only. Our body also needs specific nutrients more in amount for proper growth and healthy growth of body. Okay, so which nutrient you remember that is very good for growth of our body? So that is nothing but protein is very very important. अगर आपको आपकी बॉडी अच्छी चाहिए और अगर आप फैट कंटेनिंग फूड ज़्यादा खा रहे हैं, राइट, ले रहे हैं, तो क्या होगा, उससे आपकी प्रॉपर ग्रोथ होगी? नो. प्रॉपर ग्रोथ के लिए आपको क्या चाहिए? प्रोटीन रिच फूड फॉर योर बॉडी. सो सेम वे प्लांट्स ऑल्सो रिक्वायर्ड सम न्यूट्रिएंट्स मोर इन अमाउंट, right, for the proper growth. So fertilizers do exactly that. It will provide that nutrient only in more amount and other nutrients in lesser amount. Okay, but manure provides all nutrients in equal amount, near about equal amount. Okay, next, but excessive use of fertilizers has made the soil less fertile. Okay, fertilizers have also become a source of water pollution, right? So due to flood, because excessive irrigation method, what we can say that water may be spread to nearby pond or lake, and that leads to water pollution, right? Later on in chapter number 18 we will discuss how this fertilizers damage the nearby lake and pond. Next, this fertilizers, how they are, what we can say that destroy or makes the soil less fertile, as they make the soil less porous, right? So it will not allow air to circulate deep inside the soil, reduces the water holding capacity of the soil. In long run, for long run, if you use fertilizers, then these are the disadvantages. right? Makes the soil less porous, reduce the water holding capacity of soil, as well as make the soil acidic. Okay, and in acidic soil we can say that crops will not grow properly. As well as fertilizer kills some useful microorganism from the soil, right? That adds what we can say that moisture to the humus to the soil, right? Organism add this humus to the soil, moisture to the soil, but this fertilizer kills that useful microorganism only. Okay, so that's the disadvantage, and slowly and gradually soil loses its natural capacity of decomposing organic matter. So in this way fertilizers in long run can harm the soil, but one should use wisely this fertilizer, then that will give good yield. Okay, very very important. Now as I said, we will discuss the advantages of manure, right? It contains all the nutrients in near about equal amount, but other importance also this manure is having. The organic manure is considered better than fertilizer, and the reasons are as follow. It enhances the water holding capacity of the soil. It makes the soil porous, due to which exchange of gases becomes easy. Next, it increases the number of friendly microbes. It improves the texture of the soil, right? In fertilizer soil becomes acidic, but when you use manure it improves the texture, means quality of soil, right? It will not look red in color, right? Texture becomes very good when you use manure. Okay, now take one activity to understand the importance of fertilizer. Take a moog or gram seed and germinate them. Select the three equal sized seedlings. When they germinate, they are converted into seedlings. So that seedlings, three equal sized seedlings you need to select. Now take three empty glasses or similar vessels. Mark them A, B and C. To glass A, add little amount of soil mixed with little cow dung, that is manure. In glass B, put the same amount of soil with little urea. In first beaker, seedling that will grow using cow dung. In second, that will grow using urea. And in third, take same amount of soil in glass C and without adding anything. Now you don't have to add cow dung, as well as you don't need to add this urea also. Okay, in third beaker. Now pour the same amount of water in each glass and plant the seedlings in them. Keep them in safe place and water them daily. After 7 to 10 days, observe their growth. Now you need to observe your growth of these seedlings. What you will observe, did all the plants in the all glasses grow at same pace, मीन्स एक जैसी हाइट बड़ी थी सीडलिंग्स की. विच ग्लास शोड बेटर ग्रोथ ऑफ प्लांट्स, अगर नहीं तो इन विच बीकर यू कैन से दैट द ग्रोथ ऑफ सीडलिंग इज मोर. इन विच ग्लास वॉज ग्रोथ फास्टेस्ट, राइट? ग्रोथ कहाँ सबसे ज़्यादा हुई? वट इज़ योर आंसर? वट डू यू थिंक कहाँ पे ग्रोथ ज़्यादा हुई होगी? द आंसर इज वेर यू यूज्ड यूरिया. Why? Urea is nothing but it is fertilizer manufactured in factory, and it contains specific nutrient that require by the plant for proper growth. तो plant को जो nutrient चाहिए था वो ज़्यादा amount में मिल गया, then उसकी growth obviously अच्छी होनी है. Manure में nutrients है, but all nutrients probably that are in equal amount. Okay, so उतना beneficial होगा लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा beneficial नहीं होगा. But fertilizer gives proper what we can say that main nutrient to the plant, and due to that growth becomes proper, more fastest. Okay, now difference between fertilizer and manure. Fertilizer is inorganic salt. And what about manure? Manure is a natural substance obtained by the decomposition of cattle dung, human waste and plant residue. So it is organic. Manure, you can say that it is organic. Fertilizer, that is inorganic salt. Next, in fertilizer, fertilizer is prepared in factories as we discussed, but manure, where manure is prepared? Manure can be prepared in the field. A fertilizer does not provide any humus to the soil, but manure provides lots of humus to the soil. That is very, very good for growth of plant. Fertilizers are very rich in plant nutrient like nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. Actually, I want to share the names of some fertilizers, that is urea, ammonium sulfate, super phosphate, super phosphate, one of the name of fertilizer, potash, as well as NPK, capital N, capital P and capital K, NPK, and full form of NPK is not difficult, that is easy. N for nitrogen, P for phosphorus and K for potassium. So NPK, nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium. Okay, so these are the name of fertilizers. But manure is relatively rich in plant nutrients. Okay, all the nutrients, we can say that. Okay, apart from that, how you can enrich the this quality of soil, how you can improve that, also you can improve by crop rotation. See, here I have not prepared the slide, but I am explaining you the another way increasing the fertility of soil, that is crop rotation, right? So crop rotation is nothing but in one season you cultivate or grow one type of crop, and in another season you grow another, farmer can grow another type of crops. So one crop required particular nutrient, another crop required another nutrient from the soil. So due to that, what will happen, all the type of nutrients can be easily utilized from the soil, not only one type of crop. अगर एक जैसे क्रॉप बार बार कल्टीवेट करते रहोगे, ग्रो करोगे एक ही सॉइल पे, तो क्या होगा भाई, उससे एक ही टाइप का न्यूट्रिएंट जो है वो ज़्यादा यूज़ हो जाएगा सॉइल में से, और वो सॉइल जो है वो लेस फर्टाइल हो जाएगी, फिर वही क्रॉप के लिए वो सॉइल कोई यूज़ की नहीं रहेगी. सो व्हाट इज़ द बेस्ट थिंग, क्रॉप रोटेट करने चाहिए, एक वन सीज़न में पर्टिकुलर क्रॉप, अनदर सीज़न में दूसरे क्रॉप. बेस्ट क्रॉप कौन से है क्रॉप रोटेशन के लिए, दैट इज़ लेग्यूमिनस क्रॉप्स, राइट. सो लेग्यूमिनस क्रॉप्स क्यों बेस्ट है, क्योंकि लेग्यूमिनस क्रॉप्स के रूट्स में, रूट नोड्यूल्स में राइजोबियम बैक्टीरियाज होते हैं, एंड दैट ऐड नाइट्रोजन टू द सॉइल. Okay, naturally add nitrogen to the soil, and nitrogen plays very important role for the growth of the plant. So crop rotation में अगर farmers leguminous crops को grow करते हैं at one part, then that will good for the farmer. Okay, thank you, that's it for today. Tomorrow we will discuss another basic practice of crop production. Okay, thank you so much.